Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're gonna diving into the basic programming with a simple yet a powerful concept that is swapping variables. Now, swapping variables is important to start the Python journey or even when you're brushing up the fundamentals. Swapping variables effectively will save your time and the code correctly. Okay. So imagine, okay, we'll start with an example, real world connections. First is imagine you're organizing a small event and you need to swap the two guests to make everyone more comfortable. Okay, now this is a common scenario that we can solve easily by using Python. Today, I'll show you exactly how to do that. Okay, right? So let's start. Okay, now the question is user will input two numbers, write a program to swap the same. Now assign the variable a is equal to integer. Again, input because they have asked us two numbers, so we'll be swapping two numbers. Okay, so a will assign enter the number 1. Okay, and then similarly we'll assign variable b integer again, input, enter the number 2. Okay, so this is what we will just break down the problem. So first thing is to user, like user will input two numbers that we have done. Now we have to write a program to swap the numbers. See, to swap the numbers we have to assign a temporary variable. Okay, so let's see now the temporary variable temp is equal to a, okay, which is this number. So we'll comment here temporary variable assigned. Okay, now see, when temp is equal to a, already a is equal to temp, then we can see b is equal to a because a is equal to b because we have to swap a to b and b to a. Now when temp is equal to a is equal to b, then the next should be b is equal to temp. Okay, right. See, that's how simple it is. Now just print a, yeah, and print b. That's it. Let's see. Let's just run the code. Sorry, print. Okay. Yeah, enter the number 1. Let's enter 2. Now remember, 2 is a positional argument here and then a is equal to 2, right? So that is the first number is, remember, 2 is a because enter the number, first thing is a. Second, okay, the second number will be 3. Now see, a is assigned to the value of b and b is assigned the value of 3 because initially a we have entered is this 2 and b initially entered was 3. Now in the output the number are automatically swapped, so a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2. Now hope you got what the swapping of number is. Do practice and tell me in the comments with your own example where this swapping of numbers might use in the real cases. Thank you. Subscribe.